Hello business people and welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the business ideas emerging globally during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has dealt a huge economic blow to the world. A lot of businesses from supply chains, manufacturing firms are collapsing. There is now minimal human interaction, and consumer behavior has changed in unprecedented ways. The harsh realities of the ongoing pandemic has forced so many businesses and owners to repurpose their mission. As the situation doesn't seem to be improving very soon, every section of our society is enforced to look for an alternate option to run their day-to-day operations. But thankfully, technology has turned out to be a great savior for many industries and has brought forth an opportunity for the entrepreneurs and business owners to give it back to society in the most critical times. These business ideas can help you emerge out as a leader through this crisis. So, let's take a look at some of the businesses that have emerged during the COVID-19 pandemic. Before we go on, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Number 1. Grocery pickup and delivery apps. People are scared of getting infected with the coronavirus, and as a result, they are reluctant to go to offline grocery stores. And for this reason, online grocery shopping is picking pace fast, and with it, downloads for grocery delivery apps have skyrocketed. Regardless of the business size and type, there is a need for a robust delivery management solution. Small businesses who were reluctant to take their grocery stores online are now struggling for survival. So, it will be best to take your grocery store online to ensure timely delivery of grocery orders at your customer's doorstep. Number 2. Online entertainment. As a result of the coronavirus global lockdown, event venues and cinemas remain closed. The consequence of this is that online and TV viewership has now experienced an enormous surge. Entertainment online videos are being shared on social media and streamed live on different video streaming platforms. More and more artists are performing virtually, and online movie premiering is quickly becoming a trend. Some movies even went as far as to give up their theatrical releases to turn to streaming platforms. Number 3. Online education. Educational institutions across the globe are forced to shut down and shift to online learning programs. That has precipitated a sudden upsurge in online content demand within all educational fields across the world. There's now a spike with the download rate of educational apps. While it is helping to cope with the current emergency, it is also preparing the world for the new normal. If you're an app developer, you should move with speed to leverage this newfound market. Number 4. Online food services and app. In some countries, the restaurant industry was hit hard by the government's ban of eating in public places. Many food businesses have since created ways to limit human interaction, such as online food services. Customers are placing their orders online, and delivery guys are delivering the food safely and affordably using bikes. Another solution that has become popular is the contactless self-served food cabinets. Customers are ordering food via mobile apps, the food is prepared and placed on a cabinet, and then the customer picks it up from the cabinet without interacting with other humans. If you're a restaurant or you're somehow into the food business, then it would be wise to launch a food delivery app to enable your customers order food online and delight them with contactless deliveries. Number 5. Remote healthcare services. Healthcare professionals are offering their services through digital platforms. Amid the new normal era, it is important for healthcare professionals to take care of their patients without encouraging them to step outside. For this, you need to reach them digitally. You can offer the best possible solutions to their health issues with the help of your own online healthcare app. Build an app which simplifies the process of booking for medical professionals visiting their homes. Number 6. Online fitness and wellness. With offline gyms and health centers among the businesses banned, many fitness enthusiasts are now shifting to digital workout programs. These programs have been helping people to exercise from home for a long time now, but their demand has never been as high as it is now. From online training apps to yoga and meditation apps, the sector promises tremendous growth and a huge opportunity for app developers out there. While there's no slew of tried and true best practices for dealing with this global pandemic, the business ideas we've discussed can help you emerge out as a leader through this crisis. Whether you are running a business already or have plans to invest for better tomorrow, do join the ongoing revolution to go online. That's all for this video. But there are many more videos coming up. And I'd love to have you join me for the next one. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you click that subscribe and bell button so you get notified when the next one comes out. I'll see you guys again next time. Until then, stay focused and have a great week.